hey, if you want to install back your disk drive into your PS5 Slim, we have to find these two plastic parts and also this one connector. So we have to put it in this position, and the plastic parts we have to first put right here. So just like this. And when you do this, you can actually press on this connector, and now it's inside. So take a look, it is not moving anymore. And at the end we have to also put this plastic cover. Just press on it on the right and the left side, and now it is inside and it is also not moving. So that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.